Hi, welcome to the Aero Workshop. Today we're going to show you how to reload your PT18G Pneumatic Brad Nailer. This tool was recently redesigned. If you have the original model, click the link in the description below for reloading instructions. If you have the new model, keep watching. First, remove the air supply hose from the air inlet fitting. Then press the magazine release in the back and slide open the magazine. Take a fresh strip of 18-gauge brad nails. The points of the nails should face down when you insert them into the magazine. Insert the nails into the magazine, pushing them all the way to the front. Close the magazine, making sure it locks in place. Now, reconnect the air supply hose. And now you can get back to work. Thanks for stopping by the Aero Workshop. Be sure to tag Aero Fastener on social media. We'd love to see your next project.